We never stop innovating. We push the boundaries and strive to be better. We bring you tomorrow's robots today. D-Bot X1 Omni, the brand new all-in-one D-Bot from Ecovacs. Okay, Eco, let's get to know my home.
Okay, I am coming. I am creating the map for your home now.
The Pioneer Ivy 3D, enhanced recognition capability, equipped with supercomputing power, achieving accurate obstacle avoidance at home.
Mapping is complete. Please check the app. I will keep learning and improving by updating obstacle avoidance data. More efficient every time.
Okay, Eco, follow my voice.
No problem. I will start cleaning now.
The exclusive 4-stage deep cleaning system with 5,000 paw suction power. The second generation of Osmo Turbo technology. Scrub away tough coffee stains, even after 72 hours. Unleash the ultimate cleaning power. A masterpiece perfectly crafted by Jacob Jensen Design. The all-in-one Omni station can automatically refill water, wash and dry mop cloths, and empty the dust bin.
The D-Bot automatically refills its water tank. Start cleaning mopping pads. Start emptying the dustbin.
D-Bot X1 Omni. Finally, a truly hands-free cleaning experience.